In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter activities on a record timeline in HubSpot. When you work in HubSpot, a contact record timeline can fill up fast. You might see emails, calls, meetings, and other updates all mixed together. Filtering helps you focus on the activity you care about, so you can review conversations faster and keep the timeline clean and useful. To begin, go to your HubSpot account and open the main navigation. Click CRM, then go to Contacts. This will take you to your contacts list, where you can search or scroll to find the person you want to review. Once you see the contact you need, click the record name to open their contact record. Now look toward the middle column of the record, just above the timeline where the activity history appears. You will see an option labeled Filter Activity. Click Filter Activity to open the filtering dropdown. Inside this menu, you can control which types of activities show on the timeline. Find the Activity Types section, then check or uncheck the items you want to include. For example, you can turn off emails if you only want to review calls and meetings, or you can do the opposite if you are tracking written communication. As you change these selections, keep in mind that the goal is to reduce noise, so the most relevant interactions stand out. Next, you can narrow the timeline further by filtering based on who created the activity. In the same drop-down, click Integrations if you want to focus on activities created by connected tools. You can also choose a specific HubSpot user or team to show only the activities logged by that person or group. This is especially helpful when multiple team members work the same record and you need to review one owner's touchpoints. Once you have made your selections, click outside of the drop-down. The menu will close and the timeline will update instantly, showing only the activities that match your filters. If you need to adjust again, simply reopen Filter Activity and refine the options until the view fits what you are trying to review. That covers everything you need to know.